Welcome to this book summary of How Finance Works by Mihir Desai. Brought to you by Elite Compass, where elites come to sharpen their edge and navigate success. This book provides a comprehensive overview of the world of finance, covering the history of financial systems, the basics of finance, and its role in society. By the end of this summary, you'll have a better understanding of how finance works and how it affects our daily lives. Chapter 1. Introduction. Mihir Desai begins by redefining how we think about finance. He explains that finance is not merely about handling money, but about the allocation of resources in society. This perspective broadens our understanding and reveals how finance underpins critical decisions in both personal and professional contexts. Desai also addresses widespread misconceptions, such as the idea that finance is overly complex or reserved for experts. His goal is to demystify finance, empowering individuals and organizations to see it as an essential tool for better decision-making. Chapter 2. Financial History. Finance has evolved significantly over centuries, and Desai takes readers on a captivating journey through its history. Starting with the simplicity of barter systems and the introduction of coins, he traces the invention of paper money in ancient China and the rise of merchant banking during the Renaissance. The narrative moves through the establishment of the Amsterdam Stock Exchange and into modern financial innovations like derivatives and cryptocurrency. Understanding this history is not just about learning the past, but appreciating how each development has shaped the systems we rely on today. Chapter 3. Financial Statements. The practical aspects of finance come to life as Desai introduces financial statements: the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. These documents provide a detailed picture of a company's financial health. The income statement reveals profitability, the balance sheet offers a snapshot of assets and liabilities, and the cash flow statement highlights liquidity. Desai explains how these statements interact and why understanding them is essential for investors, entrepreneurs, and anyone interested in assessing a business's stability and future potential. Chapter 4. Valuation. Valuation, a cornerstone of finance, is the process of determining an asset's value. Desai explains methods like discounted cash flow analysis, which projects future earnings and discounts them to their present value, and price-to-earnings ratios, which compare a company's market value to its earnings. While valuation is critical for investors, it is also relevant for mergers, acquisitions, and personal finance decisions, such as determining the worth of property or evaluating a business idea. Chapter 5. Risk and Return. The principle of risk and return lies at the heart of financial decision-making. Desai explores how investors balance the potential for reward against the likelihood of loss. He delves into market risk, influenced by economic trends, and credit risk, tied to a borrower's ability to repay. Strategies like diversification are highlighted as tools to manage risk effectively. Desai emphasizes that risk is not something to fear, but to understand and navigate wisely in pursuit of financial goals. Chapter 6. Capital Markets. Capital markets play a vital role in modern economies, and Desai provides insights into how they function. Stock markets and bond markets enable companies to raise funds, while offering investors opportunities to grow their wealth. Desai also explains the role of financial intermediaries, such as investment banks and brokers, who facilitate transactions and provide critical guidance. The chapter underscores how capital markets connect investors with opportunities while shaping global economic activity. Chapter 7. Corporate Finance. Corporate finance focuses on decision-making within organizations. Desai explains how financial managers decide between debt and equity financing, budget for significant investments, and assess opportunities for growth. These decisions are influenced by external factors like market conditions and competition, as well as internal goals. Understanding corporate finance is essential for evaluating how businesses allocate resources and achieve sustainability. Chapter 8. Behavioral finance. Behavioral finance examines how psychological factors influence financial decision-making. Desai explores common biases, such as overconfidence, which can lead to excessive risk-taking and loss aversion, where fear of losses overshadows potential gains. He offers strategies to mitigate these biases, emphasizing the importance of rational thinking and a long-term perspective. Behavioral finance reveals that improving our decision-making requires understanding both our emotions and the broader context of our choices. Chapter 9. Global finance. Global finance adds layers of complexity, from currency fluctuations to geopolitical risks. Desai discusses the roles of international institutions like the IMF and the World Bank in stabilizing economies and promoting global cooperation. Challenges like trade imbalances and political instability are explored, along with strategies for managing risks in global investments. This chapter highlights the interconnected nature of financial systems and the importance of a global perspective in modern finance. Chapter 10. The Future of Finance. The book concludes by looking at the future of finance. Desai identifies key trends shaping the industry, including the rise of fintech, advancements in artificial intelligence, and a growing emphasis on sustainability. He argues that while technology is transforming the financial landscape, collaboration between traditional institutions and fintech companies is essential for building a more inclusive and responsible system. Desai also stresses the importance of financial literacy, enabling individuals to make informed decisions about their money and investments. In conclusion, How Finance Works by Mihir Desai offers valuable insights into the world of finance, simplifying complex concepts and connecting them to everyday life. By understanding the principles outlined in this book, you'll be better equipped to navigate the financial decisions that shape our world. Stay tuned to Elite Compass for more summaries. Thank you for watching.